There we go.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael. This is my very first video, so bear with me on this. I'm going to be posting fishing videos. By no means am I a professional fisherman. I'm still learning. It's just something that I really enjoy doing in my spare time. Today's video, I will be fishing a local river that has a bunch of different species of fish and some really beautiful waterfalls. And I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.
All right, maybe this wasn't the best way to go. Okay. I'm not going to say I'm safe yet because then I will fall. So you're actually going to catch a fish before you do.
I know. That's why you won't let me have it.
I can't let it happen. Just can't. Yeah. Right in the rocks. There we go. There we go. There we go. Holy, I wasn't even paying attention. I was watching you and
I can't go word,
there we go. Dude, what a red eye. I was watching you. Oh my gosh, dude. I might have set the hook a little too hard on that, but barely hooked.
Catch one before me at least.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh shit, she's casting.
Dude,
Watch out, Mikey.
barely hooked.
Alright, now catch.
I'll be alright. Dude, that's a fat little red eye. Dude, that is nice. I freaking love these fish, dude. I'm surprised he even ate that. Pretty big bait for him to go after. Dude, I love catching these fish. These little red eye, I can catch them all day. They're so fun to catch. They put up a good fight too. I thought it was a largie or a smallmouth. There you go, buddy. Fishy, 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 fishy. I just want to catch one more, at least one more before this GoPro dies. Is your bobber upside down? Alright, I'm gonna put a worm. Put a stick bait on there. My damn. Oh man, I want to catch one more before this freaking thing dies. Come on, dude. Stick with me. Stick with me. Stick with me. I need to clean that up. There we go, that'll work. Good old Guggen 5-inch lunker log green pumpkin. Oh, come on, get out of there, heifer. I need a new fishing bag. This thing works just fine too, really. Now some of y'all are probably gonna be, why are you running the hook up so far? But I don't know, I just do. I feel like I get a better hook set that way. It's not the prettiest Texas rig, but we'll take it. There we go. Ooh, did you see that jump?
That's good.
Ooh, I don't know if you guys seen that. I hope you did. Oh, he's gonna jump again. That's a largie, I think. Yep, or a spot. Yep. That's a good one too. Heck yeah, brother. Heck yeah, right before the GoPro died too, bro. Fuck yes, dude. Hell yes. Woo, feisty. Look at that, dude. Good one, dude. He's chunky too. They're all a little chunky today. Nice little largemouth. Maybe that's a spot. That might actually be a spot. Hell yeah, dude. Good little largie. Just send them back before this thing dies. You ready, buddy? He's gonna splash me. Nope. Took off with ease. Hell yeah, dude. Got the old reliable worm, sinker, bobber. Do it. What's up, big worm? Can't even bait a hook. Oh. Might be better to open up the bell first, right? Oh, that's not exactly where I wanted it, but that'll do, donkey. I got one, TJ. I got one. Look like a little red eye. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. We're catching these little rock bass. Woo! These things are fun to catch. This is a small one. Or maybe average size for out here, but all right, here we go. Here you go, buddy. And he gone. Okay. Ah. Pulled it out a little prematurely. It's okay, that happens. Better to pull out too early than too late. Right after the GoPro died, dude, I just caught this smallmouth right here on a Ned rig. Holy shit. Woohoo! Let's go. Alright guys, I'm putting them back. Hopefully he has a good send off. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. Time to go home and eat some dinner. It started out pretty slow, but ended up pretty strong. I caught 2 smallies, a largemouth, and 2 rock bass, or red eyes we call them down here. Yeah, pretty good day. Caught both the smallmouth on a Ned rig. I think it's the only thing I've ever caught a smallmouth on. I haven't caught a lot of them, but most of them have been on a Ned rig. Today all I used was a Ned rig, a Guggen Lunker log 5-inch green pumpkin, and a green pumpkin crack and crawl. Sorry if this video is not that great. I mean, this is my first time trying to post a long video, especially fishing. But I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good day. And last but not least, don't forget to like and subscribe.